That's very quick update video. Bitcoin is pumping right now, and I can you exactly tell you why is Bitcoin. So let's go and I show you here. On CNBC we see this news which is coming out. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies spiked after the US Treasury apparently released details of an executive order from President Joe Biden that appeared to take a supportive stance toward digital assets. So it seems that Biden is supporting crypto, Bitcoin and digital assets, right? So therefore we saw this huge pump, right? This is a pump over 8%. Let me measure it again for you. Yes, it's even 9%. Wow, it's crazy. So I told you I had yesterday a short position open. I closed in slight profit and I opened. Obviously, I told you if we break above the 4-hourly EMA ribbon, I open a long position. So I opened the long position. I had the limit order open, and it's right now $744 in profit, 67% in profit. And I took already some profits 1 hour ago, I think. So I took already $643 profit, and I'm so 600 I took profit, and I 744 there is still remain profits, and I let it open. So let's go and watch into the charts where are we see here next opportunity. So the next opportunity to long Bitcoin right now is obviously not the best time to long Bitcoin. Why not right now in the moment, in my opinion? Why? Because we are heavily overbought. But do your own research, please. Do your own research. Don't take your responsibility to anyone other. So because you see 1 hourly is also heavily overbought, therefore I'm expecting that we see at least a small consolidation or a small dump, right, before we are going up, right? So and another opportunity to long Bitcoin is if we're going above 43,000, approximately above this yellow neckline. Why? Because this is a huge resistance and support area in the past. Therefore, if we break it, there's another opportunity to long Bitcoin to the level of the previous top, local top. It's to 45,000 approximately. It will be 4.8% on 10x average, 48% on 5x average. It's 24% profit, right? So, but guys, be very careful because it's a very uncertain situation. You see how quickly news can change the direction of Bitcoin. Be very careful, be very cautious. Therefore, I said to you when we had the short position open, I told you we were in a huge profits, right? I told you make the entry, the stop loss to your entry position so you don't lose money. It's very important. Therefore, also in this long position, I took already some profits. So if I throwing out of the market, it's not a problem again for me because I took already profits. It's very, very important. Took profits, guys, and make your stop loss order to your entry position. It's very important. So because it could be if that they're coming in 1 hour another bad news, then we are seeing a big dump. But for me it's important. A long position is if we are going above 43,000, above this neckline. A short position if we are breaking under the 4-hourly ribbon, EMA ribbon. So therefore this my clear two options. If we are again under the 4-hourly EMA ribbon with the clear selling volume, with the clear selling candle, red candle, I'm open a short position and close my long position. If we are going above 43,000, I will even add to my long position, right? And if you are also going here long, congratulations, and close your short position in profit. Very important. Congratulations, bratans. And very, very important, took right now profits. If you don't took profits, you will regret also how it was with the short position. You will regret if you don't took profits. Very, very important for us. So therefore I want to zoom out a little bit and show you another thing. We have on the daily here that support line. You see, support. If we break under this line, this will mean a huge dump. Even I think we will create even a new bottom, right? Going to 31,000, something like that. But right now this holds this support line, and we are creating a double bottom. A double bottom is a bullish one, but it's not right now not worked out. Be very careful with people who are crying to the moon, because yes, this double bottom, price target of this double bottom would be approximately 52,000, right? This would be 52,000. But if we have to going to 52,000, that let me close this, that this double bottom, this W will work out, we have to break above this resistance line, which is at 44,500 approximately, close a daily above 44,500 with the clear volume, and then we have some resistance lines at 46,000, because you see here resistance. We have at 48,000 some resistance. You see here a huge support, resistance, and then we have a 50,000 as a psychology border. So there will be also a stop until we can go to 52,000. Be very careful. It's not like skyrocketing. It's like step by step. Be very careful here right now, because we are still in the weekly on a downtrend. On the weekly we are in a clear downtrend. So let me delete this. We are in a clear downtrend. If we are putting out the EMA ribbon, I will be really bullish if we are closing 1 and 2 weekly candles above the weekly EMA ribbon. Then I will be bullish, right? This is very important, but this is in the long term. Mid and long term, we have to break above the weekly EMA ribbon, that I will be bullish. In the short term, yes, I opened the long position. Yes, I'm bullish in the short term, because we broke above the 4 hourly EMA ribbon. I getting again bearish in the immediate short term if we're breaking under the 4 hourly EMA ribbon. I hope you understand what I mean. Tell me, write it down below if you understand what I'm talking about. So there's another long opportunity here to 54,000 with 5%, right? 10x 50%, 5x 25% approximately. And if we are breaking under the EMA ribbon, we see clearly Bitcoin at least to the previous bottom, local bottom, 37,300 approximately. It would be also 5%, right? So guys, but right now we are pumping. I'm expecting, because the RSI is oversold, like we see here, right? I'm expecting some consolidation or a small dump, right? Be very careful here right now. Be very careful, guys, because I told you the news can change everything. So don't forget also about the bonus 8,200 in bonus, link down below. On Bybit and Phoenix, after initial deposit, you get the bonus 8,200. Bybit, Phoenix, link down below. 1 minute registration. The first comment, which is pinned, guys. I hope it's understandable what I talked about. I hope you understand everything. Write it down below if you understand what I'm talking about. I told you my opinion where we can set another long position or another short position. Congratulations to everyone who closed the short position in profit and who opened a long position, guys. And every time, how I told you, never ever shift your responsibility to other persons. Every time do your own research. Don't just copy what I'm doing or another trader doing. You can use me or somebody else's opinion, then do your own research, have your own opinion, and do your own calculated risk, and never ever trade with more than 1% of your whole portfolio. So I am right now driving to Munich airport back, and I'm flying to Dubai. It's here in Austria. It's very beautiful, the mountains. I like it very much. But I will meet Jamie, Jamie and the other guys in Dubai, and we are working on some projects right now there. And yes, tell me your opinion. This is a huge news with Joe Biden is supportive to digital assets, which is linked. It's not like they didn't approve it, but it's leaked, right? So therefore we saw this huge pump. So I will do another video in the afternoon. Here is 11 o'clock right now. I kiss you and see you later, guys. Mwah.